So getting pre-approved is far simpler than you probably think. So we need to gather a couple basic things to determine what you qualify for with buying a home. So to start, we gather a very quick application. It goes through basic things like your name, number, your residency, where you work, all those basic questions that we have to gather to have a complete application. The second step is gathering the documentation to back up what is in that application. So for instance, if you are a W-2 employee, then we have to gather things like your most recent 2 pay stubs and 2 years of W-2s. If you're self-employed, then we have to gather your most recent 2 years personal and business tax returns. As you can tell, it is a lot of 2s in this scenario because basically we have to verify 2 pay stubs, 2 W-2s, 2 taxes, and last but not least, 2 years of where you have worked. And then lastly, we're going to take a look at your credit. So on your credit, we're looking for a minimum score of 580 to utilize a very, very common first-time homebuyer loan known as an FHA loan. However, if you're looking to utilize a conventional loan, then ideally we want to see a 620 credit score or higher. Now on your credit report, a lot can actually be forgiven, meaning if you have medical debt, we do not have to count that against you. If you have past card payments, they might not actually impact your score nearly as much as you think. So really, we start with a soft pull, figure out our game plan if we have to work on credit, and if not, then we're going to be in a position to have you start looking at homes right away. So, getting pre-approved is actually far simpler than many think, and I'd be happy to help you with that process and answer any questions that you have.